Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxygen without electricity. We will explore two straightforward chemical methods that do not require any electrical power. You will learn about the necessary materials and the simple steps involved in each process. Our focus is on practical, accessible techniques for generating oxygen, emphasizing safety throughout. Let's dive into these fascinating chemical reactions and understand how they work. One accessible method involves the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. You will need a 3% solution of hydrogen peroxide, commonly found in drugstores. To initiate the reaction, add a small amount of a catalyst like dry yeast or manganese dioxide powder. This catalyst rapidly breaks down the peroxide, producing oxygen gas and water. You can collect the oxygen by bubbling it into an inverted container submerged in water. Another powerful method, though less for home experimentation, uses chemical oxygen generators, often called sodium chlorate candles. These devices contain a mixture that, when ignited, undergoes a sustained chemical reaction, releasing a steady flow of oxygen. They are crucial for emergency oxygen supply in environments like commercial aircraft and submarines, providing breathable air for extended periods without needing electricity. Safety is paramount when working with any chemicals. Always ensure you are in a well-ventilated space and wear protective gear like gloves and eye protection. Remember, the oxygen produced by these methods is not medical grade and should never be inhaled directly. These techniques offer fascinating insights into chemistry, providing practical ways to generate oxygen without relying on electrical power for various non-critical applications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.